Page 162 for He's a Jolly Good Fellow. We get another lead sheet thing where they give you the melody and the chords and you have to make up the accompaniment. You improvise. This gives us a chance to review our primary chords in G major. The first thing we have to do is make sure we can play the melody. So at the beginning you're here and you can beat 3. 3, 1, it's the 3/4 time. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you can play this whole melody fine. At the top of page 163, it's got a little tricky spot there. You're here, and then they say extend. You just reach up with a little finger. See, I talked about this before, where the thumb and the little finger have to cover 2 notes sometimes. Well, this is it. Except here, once you do that, you can collapse. Now you're in this position. And then in the next line, second measure, you reach down with second finger and come back down and collapse. Now you're back down here. We changed hand positions. This is one way we do it. And then at the next line, you're going to lift up between the phrases. Lift up with the second finger, you can reach up. And again, we changed hand positions again. And you're staying there, and then there's a DC al fine there, which takes you back to the beginning. So you reach down with the thumb and you collapse. We changed hand positions again. And then the fine is at the end of the second line on page 163. See the fine? They should have a thin and thick bar line there, in my opinion, because that's the end of the piece. They put 2 thin bar lines there. It's called a double bar. Once you can get the melody okay, then let's do the chords. So first you just do block chords and you just play it once each measure. So it's here, the G chord. Another G chord. Remember, you stay with the same chord until you get something else. Then a C chord, G chord, D7. You go through the whole thing with that, because really these chords are all you're doing in the left hand. And once you're comfortable with that, then you can start varying the chords or the patterns. You'll have to play block, you can play broken. Different patterns for broken chords. Again, it's up to you. I can do this, or I can do this. It's a 3/4 time as you do. Whatever. I can do this. So it's a 3/4 time, and there's 3 notes in a triad. It works out. I can change the rhythm. I don't have to play quarter notes or dotted half notes. It's up to you and your imagination. Just play around with it and try different parts of the keyboard. Come down here. You get an idea of the different sounds and experiment. Move your hands around, try different things, different patterns, whatever. It's okay. That's really what this is all about, just you and your imagination.